Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Isabela Merayo y vengo por parte de la aula CIT para impartir unas lecciones de inglés para el TCU para noveno grado. Entonces voy a empezar a compartir. Okay. Este es el material que se preparó para esta semana. And we're now going to start to speak in English. So the title for this session is Daily News, Understanding the Impact of News and Journalism in Daily Life for 9th grade. The objectives for this session is to learn basic vocabulary related to news and journalism, understand how news affects our daily lives, practice reading and speaking skills through news-related activities. So first of all, what is news? News is information about recent events. It can be about politics, weather, sports, health, and other themes. News helps us stay informed and connected to the world. The types of news. Here are some examples of the type of news that you can find. Local news, for example, San Jose, Costa Rica. National news, something that involves Costa Rica itself. Or international news, which has to do with news around the world. And also fake news. So I had a question here. Think about what kind of news do you usually hear about? Here is some useful vocabulary for today's session. I'm going to go ahead and read them for you. And here is a little description. So headline is the title of a news article. A reporter is a person who reports news. An article is a piece of writing in a newspaper. A journalist is someone who writes or broadcasts news. Reliable is something that is trustworthy or accurate. Breaking news, important news that just happened. Why is news important? It informs us about the world, helps us make decisions, can influence our opinions, and holds people and governments accountable. Sorry. Okay, so for the first activity is a vocabulary match. The instructions would be to match the English word with the correct Spanish meaning. And an example is headline titular. This would be an activity that we would practice during class with the previous vocabulary that I showed you. The second activity is news article reading. Read a short and simple news article in English, then answer these questions. What is the topic? Who is involved? Is it local or international news? And as a part of the third activity is a discussion. What type of news do you like? Do you trust everything online? And have you ever seen fake news? As a final reflection, how do you feel about news now? Is it important to check if it's true? And what can we do to be smart news readers? Here is a short homework, is to find one short news article in Spanish or English and write 3 sentences about it in English. What is the article about? Why is it important? And is it real or fake? Thank you so much for participating for today's session. This material will be uploaded to the website, and thank you so much.